Hey everybody, welcome to On the Go in Vegas, and we
are the Vegas guys.
Today we're at Bahama's house, standing in the kitchen. He's gonna make us one of his favorite recipes today. It's called gluten-free vegetable lasagna. Now, Bahama, you know I'm from New York.
Right.
Italian, all Italian.
Yep.
If my mother ever said that she was making gluten-free vegetable lasagna for Sunday dinner, me and my sisters would look at each other like, what is she talking about? Gluten-free. And my father, forget about it, he'd think she had 3 heads. So,
that's funny.
Anyway,
yeah.
Show us what you got going here. What do we do?
Well, first of all, check out the products. See what I use.
Okay, so I see you got some minced garlic.
Minced garlic, exactly. Key.
You've got Kinder's Buttery Steakhouse Rub.
You know what? I use that not only for this lasagna, I use it for everything. It is the most amazing seasoning that I've ever seen. Yeah, and I love it.
And Lawry's seasoned salt.
I do. Yep, that's key for this, and I use it for everything else too.
Okay. One of my favorite were Bertolli organic olive oil, fresh and basil and garlic.
Oh, and you know what? I've got a whole pantry full of that because that's the only sauce I use. I love it. It's the best.
Yep. And you've got Pompeian extra virgin olive oil.
Pompano, yeah.
Pompano.
Yeah.
Okay. That's Greek, right?
It's Greek, yeah. And because I'm Greek, I grew up on that, and that's the only olive oil I use.
And last but not least, we have Simple Truth nutritional yeast seasoning.
Yep.
So what's this for?
Oh, nutritional yeast. That is a cheese substitute.
And don't forget the Barilla gluten-free oven-ready lasagna. You've got to have that.
Let me grab something else. There's 2 other products I've got right here.
Okay.
Yeah. And these are key to the lasagna right here.
Dalya delicious dairy-free mozzarella.
That's right. It's dairy-free and it tastes just like cheese. So if you've got a dairy allergy, this is what we use. Yeah,
wow.
Absolutely.
Great.
And
what do we have here? KITE HILL ricotta.
That's right. And it's almond-based, dairy-free almond-based, but if you have an allergy to almonds for any reason, don't use it. But if you don't, it's best.
Okay.
So the first thing we're gonna do right here is we're gonna add the ingredients. But I saved this right here. Let me pass the Pompano. We're gonna add 2 tablespoons of Pompano. And this is really key because this gives it a lot of flavor.
Okay.
And also it helps coat. And also is the broccoli. Broccoli, yeah. Broccoli has a lot of nutrition in it.
Mushrooms.
Mushrooms. I love mushrooms. Oh my God, they're the best, aren't they?
Yeah.
And they add a lot of flavor.
I sure do.
Yeah, it's the best. I love it. And this is the Kinder's, and this is the minced garlic, and also the
and the Lawry's?
And the Lawry's mix.
All mixed together?
All mixed together, yeah. So I'm just gonna pile it in here. I washed my hands, so I'm using my finger.
I hope so.
I did, yeah. 20 seconds, right? That's what they say.
That's it.
Yeah, so this is really important. And then...
it smells good. I can even smell it.
Can you smell that?
Yeah.
And then I got that 1 cup of water, but it's got to be filtered water. And so we just add that whole thing on here and just fill that up. Okay. And then now, what's really important is we're going to cut up the eggplant and we're going to cut up the zucchini. But the eggplant you can't cut ahead of time. You have to do it right before you make it, otherwise it turns brown. So you want to do this make it fresh, right? So let's start chopping. And let's cover it. I got the lid right here. And then we're gonna put it on, kind of squash it down there. And then we're gonna put the higher burner on first until it starts cooking, and then we're gonna throw it on this simmer once it starts boiling. So we're gonna let that cook, layer the rest after it's done. Cooked vegetables, ready for the lasagna.
Wow, look at that.
I'm gonna take the Pompeian olive oil,
Okay.
and then you just take just a little bit of a splash, and then you wipe it down, and that way it doesn't stick, and it gives it some flavor. So you want to rub the edges. Okay. And then that's really going to help it out. And then you have a little extra, you rub it on your hands. Good for your hands.
Hey, olive oil is
Yeah, it's the best.
the best.
Yeah, so we'll open that up for me.
Okay.
And
Okay.
yeah. And then what we're going to do is add our noodles. So we're going to put one layer of noodles, but what's really important for the noodles when you're making this is you have to make sure they're fully submersed. Make sure they're fully
So the
submersed.
sauce has to cover it.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, because if you don't, what's going to happen is you're not going to get the oven ready and all that. You're not going to have cooked, it's not going to be cooked all the way. Okay, so we got that.
Makes sense.
Yeah, it makes sense?
Makes sense.
That makes sense. All right, so what we have to do next is take a little spatula here, and then we're going to put about 1 inch thick of the lasagna.
Vegetables.
Vegetables, right?
Of course, it is vegetable lasagna.
It is vegetable lasagna. And when you first cook it, you think, oh man, this is not going to all fit in this little container, you know, but it actually does. It's the right size. Okay, so you take that,
Okay.
and then you take the Kinders, ricotta, take a little spoon, and that's how you gotta dish it out. And you take a little bit of that, and then you just kind of spread it around.
Okay.
And you spread it around like that.
I love ricotta.
Ricotta is the best, isn't it? And you spread that around, and then what you take is you open that up for me.
Open this up. This is your cheese.
Cheese. And then let me see your little towel right here. I gotta wipe my hands down.
Okay.
Okay.
Can I do it?
Yeah,
Okay.
of course.
So
Yeah.
you get to take some cheese.
Yeah, and spread
And
it around.
sprinkle it around.
Yeah, there you go. Good job.
More.
Just a little more. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
That's good. And then
That's
now
good.
we take the nutritional yeast,
Okay.
which people, like I said, what's nutritional yeast? But it's actually a good cheese substitute. And it's actually a great cheese substitute. So you kind of spread this around, a little nutritional yeast, you spread it around the top like this.
Okay.
A couple scoopfuls. And you just put that. Bam, shazam. And then what you do is you repeat it until it's all the way full.
So,
Yeah,
this is the finished product, huh?
this is it.
This is the gluten-free vegetable lasagna Bahama style.
And dairy-free.
And dairy-free.
And dairy-free.
Don't forget, and dairy-free.
That's right, that's right.
Okay.
You want to try it?
What, are you kidding me? I'm dying. It smells great.
Yeah, let's check this out. Okay, we're going to cut you a little piece for starters here.
You can cut me a big piece for starters.
Oh, big piece. Okay, well, let's give you a big piece. And let me get a spatula.
You want me to
I just need a little spatula right here. And okay,
throw it on there.
throw it on there. Tell me how you like it.
Let me cool it off a little bit.
Yeah, it's kind
It's
of
pretty hot.
It is pretty hot. Just came out of the oven. This is the real McCoy.
Okay, everybody, this is it.
Yeah, I want some too, man. I know this stuff tastes good.
I'm going for it.
All right, go for it. What do you think?
Wow. Let me tell you something.
Is it really?
My father were here today. Pop, you would love this. He would love this.
Is it really?
This is amazing, Bahama.
Yeah. Hey, Mom, why don't you come over and check out this lasagna?
Check it out.
Yeah. See what you think.
Okay.
Okay, careful, you got blow on it because it's hot. It just came out of the oven. What do you think?
Where's the beef?
Can't tell, huh? Can't tell it's vegetable.
Man, oh man, no. It's
not at all.
really, really, really delicious.
Fool everybody, huh? You'd think there was meat in here.
Oh yeah, no, you can't tell. Everybody, make it. Cut that out.
All right. Well, thank you for watching On the Go in Vegas. And please don't forget to give us some comments on how you like the lasagna. And also, please subscribe.
Subscribe. Don't forget.
Okay, until next time, stay safe.
God bless.
And we're on the go.